This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Kelly Watson. Move-in ready updated 2-bedroom/2-bath condo in the highly desirable community of Walnut Creek. This open floor plan includes a spacious kitchen that overlooks the large great room with vaulted ceilings and gas fireplace. Bright dining area with bay window. Private balcony off great room. Primary suite boasts vaulted ceilings, walk-in closet and updated bath. Secondary bedroom and secondary bath with barn door. Updates include new vinyl plank flooring in foyer, kitchen, and both baths, 2019, new microwave, stove/oven and refrigerator, 2021, new water heater, 2017, barn door to access secondary bath, 2019, washer and dryer, 2017, and master bath updates including vanity, fixtures, and beadboard molding, 2021. Located close to everything Uptown, University City, I-85, I-77 and I-485. For more information,